Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you click on check for update over here, if you don't see Windows 11 version 24H2 to install, this is missing. In that case, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant to update your Windows 11 to version 24H2. Now for this, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and then if you see this, click on get PC health checkup, and then you can run this file. Now click on accept and then click on install and let the installation complete. Now click on finish. Now click on check now over here, and here you can see this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. So if this is done, now you can refresh the page and then click on accept and install and let the installation complete. And once this is done, you can restart your computer and you should be up to date. Like you should be able to install version 24H2. Now still you're unable to install version 24H2. In that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Windows 11 version 24H2 successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.